I'm Morgan the Midwest Lady, and today we're going to be making a DIY cupcake Valentine's box. So let's get crafting. Okay, for the base of our cupcake, we're going to use these paper lanterns on Valentine's Day, just like so. And then we're gonna set it right in our basket. So it looks like this.
No, I can't.
And I guess we can take this off.
Yeah, you need that.
Okay, all right, let's go outside and spray this. I'm gonna be using this big gap filler. It's up to 3 inches. This is what's gonna make the actual like cupcake frosting look. This is one of the funnest things to do, just an FYI.
Are we gonna make it pink already? So cute. But wait until the end. It's gonna be amazing.
We're gonna let this sit for a few hours. Hopefully it won't take that long, but we gotta let it get dry and let the foam harden before we can spray paint it. So let's go paint the cherry.
Yay!
This is a styrofoam number 4 ball for size. We have red acrylic paint. We have some like red sparkles that I got from the dollar store.
Don't worry, I'll show you at the end.
Here's the finished painted cherry. I'm gonna have us put the sparkles on now, and then at the end I have a polyurethane spray that I think I'll spray over this to seal it. All right, we're gonna let this dry and we'll come back. Our cupcake's looking so good. It's starting to dry. You can see it's still soft to the touch, so definitely not ready to paint yet. I have a clear polyurethane finish that I'm gonna spray on our cherry.
Look like it's out.
What's that? And I'm hoping this is gonna make the sparkles stick, but I'm not for sure, so I might have to get like a spray glue. Do a sparkle spray on this.
Ow! Look at that.
I did find a Gorilla Glue spray, luckily, so I'm just gonna respray the cherry and then we'll let it dry again and it should be good to go. So it's been about 3 hours and it's fully dry. I did take out the middle part of the paper lantern, and I'm also gonna cut it so we can spray paint it. And then it'll just sit right on here, so then when the kids go to put the Valentine cards in, we can just put it right in here. So the inside will look like this, and it's ready to spray paint. We're going to do a berry pink color for the top of the cupcake. So to mock the muffin tin, I have a purple wrapping paper, and we're gonna do like an accordion fold. So we're just gonna fold it and just kind of repeat this process to make it look like a cupcake tin. Okay, so now we're gonna wrap this around and then we're gonna hot glue it. Glued a lot of lines in the middle, but so it's just strong enough, but she should hold. Now for the fun part, sprinkles. Here is our completed cupcake top, and it looks so adorable, but of course we have to add some glitter. So we're going to use this glitter shimmer. Here is the finished product. I think this turned out so cute. We did add a pipe cleaner to the top of our cherry, so you can pull it right off and your kids can put their Valentines right in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so fun to make, and if you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow Morgan the Midwest Lady.